Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most beautiful, luxurious, and inspiring homes from around the world. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of a stunning modern luxury home designed in elegant brown and gray tones, perfectly blending contemporary architecture with warmth and comfort. From breathtaking aerial views to thoughtfully designed interiors, this home truly represents modern luxury living. Let's begin with a drone day view of the property. From above, you can immediately appreciate the clean architectural lines, premium materials, and beautifully planned layout. The brown and gray exterior creates a timeless and sophisticated look, while the surrounding landscaping enhances the overall presence of the home. This is a property that stands out without trying too hard. As we move closer, we arrive at the main entrance. The entrance sets the tone for what's inside, featuring a modern wooden door, refined textures, and elegant finishes. Natural light flows effortlessly into the home, creating a welcoming and luxurious first impression. Stepping inside, we enter the main living room. This space has been designed for both comfort and style. Soft brown and gray shades dominate the room, paired with premium seating, modern decor, and large windows that flood the area with daylight. It's the perfect place to relax, entertain guests, or enjoy quiet family moments. Just next to it is the TV lounge, a cozy yet stylish area ideal for movie nights and casual gatherings. The wall-mounted television, ambient lighting, and comfortable seating create a cinematic experience right at home. The color palette remains consistent, giving the space a calm and elegant atmosphere. Now let's head into the kitchen, one of the highlights of this home. This open-concept kitchen features sleek brown and gray cabinetry, a luxurious marble island, and state-of-the-art appliances. Designed for both everyday cooking and entertaining, the layout is practical, spacious, and visually stunning. Connected to the kitchen is the dining area. The dining table sits under a modern chandelier, making it the perfect spot for family dinners or hosting guests. The combination of lighting, textures, and space creates a refined dining experience that feels both intimate and luxurious. Moving on, we'll take a look at the garage. This is not just a place to park cars. It's a clean, well-lit, and premium space that complements the rest of the home. With enough room for multiple vehicles, the garage reflects the same attention to detail found throughout the property. Next, we head to the bedroom area, starting with the master bedroom. This room is designed as a private retreat, featuring soft lighting, modern wall panels, and a calming brown and gray color scheme. The large bed, elegant furnishings, and peaceful atmosphere make this space perfect for rest and relaxation. Attached to the bedroom is the luxury bathroom. Finished with brown and gray marble tiles, the bathroom includes a glass shower, a stylish bathtub, and warm lighting that gives it a spa-like feel. It's a space where comfort meets sophistication. For fitness enthusiasts, the home includes a private gym. Equipped with modern exercise machines, mirrors, and natural lighting, this gym allows you to stay fit without ever leaving the comfort of your home. One of the most unique features is the indoor swing area. This space adds character and charm to the home, creating a relaxed and playful environment while still maintaining a luxury aesthetic. Now let's step outside to the swimming pool area. Designed to complement the home's brown and gray theme, the pool area is perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying sunny days. With modern outdoor seating and a clean design, this space feels like a private resort. This home is a perfect example of how modern design, thoughtful planning, and elegant color choices can come together to create something truly special. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible properties. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets inspiration. We'll see you in the next video.